Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to take a look at a Xbox Series S controller. It's actually my own controller. When I picked it up, the stick was out of place. So I'm going to open it up and take a wee look inside to see if we can sort this out. A big thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. PCBWay offer many services from 3D printing, CNC machining and also PCB assembly, which starts at only $29 for 20 pieces. They offer a very fast turnaround and also worldwide free shipping for PCB assembly orders. This month is a very special month for PCBWay. They're celebrating their 10th anniversary. You can take part in different activities, unlock bonuses and get exclusive money off coupons. It's an exciting time to be involved with PCBWay. Please find a link in the description below. And don't forget there's a $5 sign up bonus. So let's go ahead and open the controller. Having a little feel behind the sticker, I feel there's a screw there, so I'm just going to pierce that. So I've peeled back the sticker, that's revealed a screw. So now we've removed that screw, we'll go and open up the rest of the case. So what we want to do is remove the two bits of plastic here next to the triggers. So I'm just going to use a little prise tool for that. Clip, so it's just a case of unclipping them. We shall do that for both sides. And it should just lift off like so. So once we've done that, it exposes 4 more screws there, which we shall need to remove now. Once they're removed, it just lifts off here. So let's see what we've done here. So it actually looks like the potentiometer itself is damaged. It just doesn't return to the centre position. So what we're going to need to do is, I think I've got spare ones there, is replace that. So let's take this part off. So what we're going to do now in order to get access to soldering off the stick is we're going to desolder these cables here so we can remove this board from the controller. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do that. These should all come off very easily. Those little cables for the antenna here, they should just pull off quite easily. Yes, they just lift off like so. So now the board's disconnected. There's a couple of screws there and there we need to remove now. So before we go and lift the board off, we'll take off the two sticks at each side, and hopefully the board should just lift up now. There we are. It just comes cleanly away once we've desoldered the cables. So what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of flux to the points I'm going to desolder. Just makes it a little bit easier. Most of them have come away quite cleanly, but you always get one or two for some reason they don't. So I've added a little bit of flux to them and I've upped the temperature on my desoldering station, so I'll just give that a couple of minutes to heat up again. So off camera I gave the solder holes a good clean up, making sure there's nothing inside them, no bits of solder or anything like that, so we can so all I've got left to do now is solder the pins. So as always, before soldering them on, just add some flux onto it. So let's go ahead and give it a clean. What I was thinking, seeing we've got the board out, I probably will just go ahead and change this other one here as well. So what I'll do is I'll do the same procedure as that, just desolder it and clean up all the holes again. So I've checked all the connections and cleaned them up. It's now ready to put the board back in the controller. So now that the board's nicely in place, we'll go ahead and solder back these cables to where they were. These two here were the actual worst ones to get in. What I suggest doing is putting them over where they're supposed to go and then pressing down with a flat head. That's how I managed to get them back in place. That's solid now. So there we are, guys, that's the controller all reassembled and ready to go. Thumbstick's feeling all good again. Hopefully this video helps somebody out, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.